What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give us a big thumbs up on this video. Today's topic on Ask the Pros. Can in-wall speakers sound good? Oh, you're seeing a lot in our videos, so we're going to get into it in just a minute. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation and we have free consultation services. So Kellen, Dave, the guys you're about to see, they would love to get on a FaceTime video with you, walk through your space and optimize an exact package that fits your needs and budget. All right, guys, let's get into this video. Welcome back, Dream Media family. Can in-wall speakers sound good? Today, we're going to ask the pros. We got Kellen, our national sales director, and Dave, our sales advisor here with Dream Media. Dave, kick it off for us. Can these in-wall speakers sound good, or are they just trash?
Well, yeah, some of them are. It's like any other category of product, right? I mean, you've got kind of the low end, more of the builder grade kind of stuff that you'll hear pumping out sound into your local grocery store. I think the key, especially for us, is to make sure that, we try to carry brands that don't treat architectural audio, which is what in-wall and in-ceiling speakers are commonly called, kind of as stepchildren, right? So we want to make sure that we've got solid brands that, bring a lot of those technologies that you see in the bookshelf and tower speaker segments and bring them into that category of product. So absolutely, they can sound phenomenal. If you look at Focal, for example, they've got some amazing products that go in the wall. Back boxes can also be a factor as well. So you're taking that variable of allowing the wall or the ceiling to become part of the enclosure. So that's an additional step that can potentially be taken as well. Got to remember too, in any space, with some of the room calibration that our receivers and processors can do with the Dirac and Odyssey, really can help quite a bit as well. So if there's any little variable or any little tweak that needs to take place with an in-wall speaker, look, there's no substitute for getting things off the floor in a lot of rooms. Traffic patterns need to be addressed. Sometimes it's an aesthetic choice. But absolutely, don't automatically assume that if it's going in the wall or in the ceiling that it's some kind of acoustic compromise. Doesn't have to be.
Well said. I love that. I mean, the reality is, guys, here at Dream Media, we're not playing around. We're not selling you those little dinky $50 in-wall speakers. A lot of our in-wall speakers are literally a floor standing speaker in your wall. So over to you, Kellen. What do you have to add on that?
Yeah, no, I think Dave hit the nail on the head. I mean, there's certainly levels to everything, and I think one important thing to note is, if it's for music, maybe floor standing is the way to go. If it's a listening hi-fi area, you don't want subs. Yeah, a full range floor standing speaker is probably going to give you a better experience than some in-walls could. Certainly, like I said, there's levels to it. So with Focal, their 1000 series, they're a sealed speaker. So it's essentially a bookshelf type of floor standing speaker that can go down to, 50 hertz, 40 hertz. That's technically an architectural speaker. And I think now they have some on-wall brackets that were pretty neat to see come out. So you can, if you do have a wall that's in a basement that you can't really do in-wall speakers, well, now they have an on-wall bracket to fur out for an in-wall speaker. So just getting back to the point of, can in-wall speakers sound good? I certainly think it depends on the product, right? The $20, $30, $50 speakers from Amazon or some of those brands, no, they're not going to sound as good. And with Dave said as well, you can more than likely, you're going to set your crossovers over for some of those frequencies that are harder for an in-wall speaker to hit, 60, 80, 100 hertz and below. More than likely, you're going to have those crossed over to your subwoofers anyways. So you're still going to get that full range experience with gaining a lot of floor real estate, to where you don't have shelves holding bookshelf speakers on a wall, or hanging speaker on the wall, or floor standing speakers for a kid to knock over. So there's certainly situations where floor standings can sound better, but in-wall speakers can certainly sound good. I was quite surprised from the Focal 300 series, those LCRs, and hearing just the clarity and detail in-wall speakers can definitely sound good for sure.
Not only clarity and detail, but as you guys saw me kind of geeking out on one of our recent videos from the 300 series, it was a 724, and we had some SVS subs in there, kind of hitting on your point, Kellen, about how you pair it together with the right equipment and it can sound absolutely amazing, very immersive. But with those 300 series, those are pretty affordable speakers still. And I could feel all those woofers right there at ear level and above me, the 4 above me and the 7 right there at ear level, literally smacking me as the gunshots were going off. Now, it kind of hits back to your point with price and performance. The higher you go up, the more it's going to perform like a floor standing speaker. And I would have to say, in a lot of situations, we have put together packages with in-wall speakers that outperform a lot of floor standing systems. So you get the wife approval, you don't have to worry about the kids messing it up, and it sounds amazing. Yes, in-wall speakers can sound awesome. Dave, you got anything to add in there?
I was going to say too, especially in dedicated spaces where you want to do an acoustically transparent screen, you do a nice high quality trio behind that screen. It can be a pretty amazing experience. The other part too is that a lot of speaker companies, kind of what Kellen was saying, with on-wall mounts for some of the, I guess what you would say traditionally in-wall speakers, is that there are actually slimline wall mountable speakers as well. So in case you do have a wall that's not real conducive to actually recessing an in-wall, there are nice slim on-wall options that sound very good too.
Well said. Here at Dream Media, we love this stuff, guys, and we have a wide variety of speakers, projectors, amplifiers available. All the industry leaders. You hear me say that all the time because I pride myself on that. We work hard to develop these relationships with manufacturers that believe in the same thing that we believe in, providing quality products, quality service. Warranty a lot plays into that. There's a reason the guys keep mentioning Focal. We've been kind of in love with them over here at Dream Media recently. But regardless, we're here to FaceTime with you. You get here at Dream Media the guy's cell phone numbers. Do you get that at some of our competitors? I don't know. Probably not. Anyways, we're here to make sure we walk through every detail, answer every question that you have, lay out different options for you, and make sure you make an educated buying decision so that you feel confident that you got the best thing for your money, whatever your budget is. I think that's all we got for you. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. If you would like to purchase, we ship throughout the entire nation and would love the opportunity to earn your business. Till next time, this is Zach, Kellen, and Dave with Dream Media Home Theater. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.